I can't lose you, because if I did, I'd lose my best friend, my soulmate, the one person who understands me better than anyone else. You're not just a significant other. You're a part of me, an essential piece of my life's puzzle. With you, I've shared my deepest thoughts, my wildest dreams, and my most vulnerable moments. You're the first person I turn to when I have news to share, whether it's good or bad. Your support means the world to me, and your guidance has been invaluable in helping me navigate life's complexities. We've laughed together, cried together, and grown together. Losing you would mean losing a part of myself. Our connection goes beyond love. It's a bond forged through shared experiences, mutual respect, and a deep understanding of each other's quirks and qualities. You're my confidant, my partner in crime, and my comforter.